my channel. So today is going to be the Dollar Tree organizing continued. So this time I am back in the dining room because we are working on like the kids stuff, like all of the school supplies and like notebook, workbooks, coloring books, just getting some sort of handle and organization on those before school starts. Obviously, once school starts, the focus kind of shifts from, wanting to just have fun and color all the time, and we really got to focus on, for our school-age kids, actually getting them into doing their work again. And I feel like that comes from them having that clean space where they know they can go, they can sit down and focus. So that is our goal today. It is a hot mess. I mean, that doesn't look bad, but if I open the cabinet, it is a hot mess. So that's what we're doing. I will show you the before so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. And then I'm also going to show you the products that I will be pulling from to do the organizing, and of course I will walk you through kind of my thought process and organization and all of that as we go as well. So starting off over here, this bin is where I try to keep like all of the like coloring books and workbooks and kind of just the more like fun activity stuff. If you keep hearing that sound, it's because they're playing in the corner. The iPad also usually sits in there just on the table, so that's gonna get a proper home. And then this is the horrific cabinet that we're going to be organizing because this is where all the supplies are shoved, and it needs help. So I did end up buying pretty much all the book bins that were at my Dollar Tree. So I have 8 right now to work with. I bought a pack of rulers, and then I bought a pack of pencils and pens just to add to the school supplies because my oldest is going into 1st grade. So he will start to need both, pens and pencils. So the clear bin I got last time, and then I just picked up the 3 colored ones as well. The chalkboard I got last time as well, but I got this little easel for it to sit on. Again, only $1. I still have the dry erase board with this stuff, although I'm not sure what exactly it's gonna do. I did just pick up 2 of these just clear bins. I mean, they're a decent size. Again, I don't know exactly what it may be for. It might not even be part of it, but I have them just in case. And then I got another one of these little like pencil caddies. I got just a big, big-ish bucket, I don't know, tote. And then I got the blue stackers this time. And we are going to see what we can do with all of this. And I also have my Lysol spray and orange glow to do some cleaning. So now that I've talked your ear off about supplies and the mess, let's actually get in here, start seeing what's going on, and start finding homes for everything.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
So starting over here, these are the 4 coloring supply bins clearly labeled. And since they are clear, the kids can see exactly what's in them as well without reading. And then these are like the coloring books. I didn't feel like I needed to say books because they're right there. And then the whole surface of the table is now cleared off. And I decided just to display my chalkboard, and then I'm planning on leaving it over here, so if there's any anything we need to remember, events at school or anything, a themed day, we can write that down. And then this is the electronics bin, and then like I said earlier, that's just going to be the general supplies, like the more adult pens, pencils and stuff, which I might switch with his, but I think for now, since those are a bit more safe down here, I think they'll stay. And then I just kept this bin with all of our cords that are not in use. And so we have school supplies, and then behind the school supplies is like adult supplies. So the stapler, hole puncher, envelopes, I just put them in a little stack back there. And then the first 2 bins, these are so these are like activity books and stickers, and then these are the actual like more like school workbooks. So like the big preschool one, which Michael and Elijah can do. This is a wipe clean one, so it doesn't go bad with age or anything. The first grade book. And then these are just some activities that the school gave us when the pandemic started. So up here is the OT bin from when he started receiving teletherapy OT. And I just kept some of these because the activities weren't all completed, or they were ones that could be redone, or I can make copies and have him continuing to work on. So I just kept all of that stuff. And then over here, this is that box of flashcards that I made. And then that is like small game stuff, so like dice, little marbles and stuff. Up there is my plant care and room sprays. So just stuff that like the kids definitely don't need to get into, but I use a bit frequently. Over there is my craft box, and then pretty much everything under that is all the craft related stuff. So I didn't label them individually because that would just be very, very redundant. So I'm not gonna lie, this actually took me quite a while to do, and I mean, it's 100% worth it. Don't get me wrong, it's 100% worth it, but it did take a good like hour of my life to do everything. And of course that did involve a little bit of cleaning and still interacting with the kids occasionally and yelling at them to get out of my way. But anyways, it's done and I'm so excited. I cannot believe how it turned out. And I used most of the bins that I bought, so I would say the school organization probably cost closer to like $15 to do, but I mean that's still like nothing. And I'm really passionate about this. I grew up with like Dollar Tree and DIY, make it yourself from Home Depot. So I am all about the cheap organization and working with what you got, and this was super fun to do. I cannot wait to show my husband when he gets home, and hopefully with this organization it won't be as overwhelming to actually do activities with the kids, because we can find coloring very easily, we can find their paints very easily. It can all be cleaned up and put back very easily. So hopefully this is just perfect in what we needed in our life, and especially with school starting and not knowing how exactly he's going to be going to school. I think it's just really good to have a fresh start here at the home, and then regardless of whether or not he goes to school in person or, you know, does a hybrid half and half weeks or whatever the heck they come up with for school, we're ready. And I hope this gave you guys some motivation too, to get yourselves ready for the upcoming school year. Regardless of how the pandemic is affecting your area, you can still get a start on this. And I hope you got some inspiration and are ready to take this on yourself. Don't feel pressured. If you're not ready, don't do it. That's fine. Watch this for fun. But anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see some of the other upcoming organization projects and mommy life and all of that. Thank you guys. Bye.